Hello and welcome. In this video I'll show you how to download and install Fortnite on your iPhone 11. Now the download is around 8 gig in size, so make sure you have some space and it's best to do it on Wi-Fi. With that said, let's get into it. Go to the App Store and in the search bar type in Fortnite. You'll see it on the list and then press the install button. This is just the first stage of the installation, so let's just give this a few seconds, moving around at a steady pace. Won't be long now. Fantastic. Right, now we go to open. Comes up with Epic Games, and if you don't have an account with Epic Games, you can create one, or you can say yes, find my account, and you have some options. You can sign in with Facebook, Google, etc. I'm going to sign in with my Epic Games account, and I'll enter my email address and password here. It now asks if I would like to receive notifications. I'll just say yes. You can choose no if you wish. And here we have the main installation screen. So as it says, it's 8.32 gig download required. Let's press install and get that going. Okay, just a message here just saying you can use other apps whilst it's downloading. We say okay. And as you can see, it's moving. It's 1.7 and yeah, it's going to take a little time. So I'm going to jump cut to the complete installation. Okay, we are now at 100% and we have the option to play. It's loading. Okay, here we are. We are in the game now. So thank you very much for watching. I hope this video has been useful to you. Please let me know what's the best aspect of playing Fortnite and which do you think is the best platform? Do you think it's Xbox, PS4? You let me know in the notes below. Thanks very much again for watching and I wish you lots of fun with the game.